Hello. How can I assist you with your equipment today?
In my equipment, the bulb is not working anymore. I think it needs to be replaced.
I'm here to help. Could you please provide me with the model number of your equipment so I can guide you through replacing the bulb?
I'm not too sure I understand your request. Could you say it in Japanese?
もちろんです。あなたの装置のトラブルシューティングと修理をお手伝いします。調置のモデル番号を教えていただけますか？
Okay. Now I get it.
The model number is ELPL93.
Thank you for sharing the model number ELPL93. Let's proceed with replacing the bulb. Step 1. Turn off the equipment and unplug it from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Allow the equipment and bulb to cool down if they were recently in use, as bulbs can become very hot. Please confirm once you've completed this step.
This step is okay.
Great. Step 2. Locate the connector on the side of the bulb path, which is secured by a screw. Using a screwdriver, carefully loosen and remove the screw holding the connector in place. Gently unplug the connector. Let me know when you've completed this step, and we'll proceed.
Yes, done.
Excellent. Step 3. Locate the metal cover that holds the bulb in place. It should have 4 screws holding the metal plate. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove these 4 screws. Remove the metal cover without forcing it. Once you've removed the metal cover, please let me know and we'll continue.
Is it the 4 screws that you're referring to?
Yes. You can now proceed and remove the 4 screws.
I remove the metal plate.
Perfect. Step 4. After removing the metal cover, you will see a black plastic cover protecting the bulb. Let me know when you're ready for the next step.
Okay, let's move on to the next step.
Step 5. Locate and prepare the bulb assembly. Identify the gray element at the top of the unit where the bulb is attached. There are 2 black screws securing this bulb assembly. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove these 2 black screws to free the bulb assembly. Please complete this step and let me know when you're ready to continue.
That's good to go.
Excellent. Step 6. Remove the old bulb wearing gloves or using a clean cloth to prevent oils from your fingers touching the glass. I can see that you're not wearing gloves. Please put on your gloves before removing the bulb.
All right, next step.
Step 7. Take your new bulb, ensuring it matches the specifications for the ELPL93 model. Carefully insert the new bulb straight into the socket until it's securely in place. Let me know when you're ready to proceed.
Yeah, good to go with the next step.
Step 8. Reattach the gray element that holds the bulb and secure it with the 2 black screws you removed earlier. Replace the black plastic cover over the bulb compartment. Put the metal cover back in place and fasten it with the 4 screws. Reconnect the connector on the side of the bulb path and secure it with its screw. Please complete these reassembly steps and let me know when you're ready for the final step.
Okay, I'm done with these steps.
Excellent. Step 9. Please show me the reassembled bulb compartment from different angles so I can verify that all screws and elements are properly secured. I can see that the connector is not put back into its slot and it is not secured with the screw. Please fix this before proceeding.
I fixed the issue.
Thank you for letting me know. Please show me the reassembled bulb compartment from different angles once more, so I can verify that the connector is now properly seated and secured. I can see that the part is now correctly assembled, and the connector is securely in place. You may proceed to put the bulb path back inside the equipment.